Hello my friends, today is a big day. My son has just received his driver license for a motorcycle and he bought himself a new bike. Well, new. It's a Africa Twin RD04 from 91. That's the bike, if you ask me and if you ask him. There's a little bit of work to do on it. Not much, mostly cosmetic. We have a paint job to do and get some license plates for it. And then the plan is father and son on tour in Scandinavia in the summer 2021, if we are allowed to travel. I hope that, and well, cross my fingers. But let's go out and have a look at my son's new bike. And here it is, his new Honda Africa Twin. New, but well, it's a nice bike. It's a little dirty and we need some paint job, but it's an alright bike, and I know it because I have ridden thousands of kilometers with my former driving buddy. This bike and this bike has been a lot of tours, and the clockwork says about 65,000 kilometers. Not much. It has the touring screen, and well, what's there to say? It's a nice bike, but it needs a little cosmetic work. Well, this is how it looks. He's proud. His daddy is proud. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome.